Hello, it is hard to believe that you can turn paper into a flower that looks so real. The video will teach you how to make beautiful flowers out of a variety of papers. Paper flowers are perfect for decorating your home because they never wilt or you don't have to water them. These blooms are also make great homemade gifts and many are perfect for wedding too. I have gathered more than 50 of my favorite DIY paper flower ideas here. You will find easy paper flowers and you can create at your own. These DIY paper flowers will teach you how to create beautiful flowers that will never wilt. These are perfect decorations for parties, backdrops for wedding, bouquets, and even individual flowers that will look great anywhere in your home. Most of these projects are just right for the beginner who would be to learn how to make paper flowers, but there are a few intermediate projects that are great for the eager beginner or someone who is up for a challenge. These paper flowers use a variety of materials such as cardstock, scrapbook paper, tissue paper, metallic text weight paper, and creepy paper. You will be using these materials to make DIY paper flowers like roses, peonies, dahlias, aminos, cherry blossoms, and other pretty flowers that you will love creating. Okay, so as lovely as fresh flowers are, their loveliness is always short lived. But not the case with foxflowers, which can look delightfully realistic these days. Plus, you never have to water them or worry about them wilting. Instead of buying artificial flowers, though, you can DIY them yourself for only the cost of paper, tissue paper, or even coffee filters plus some crafting time. Once you have learned how to make flowers in all the sizes and colors you like, you can place them in arrangement, perhaps in a mason jar, as part of a centerpiece for your dining table. DIY paper flowers also make cheery decorations for wedding bouquets or baby and bridal showers. I hope you enjoyed the different ideas as shown in this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. For more amazing videos about DIY projects, you can check the playlists over there. Thank you.